I'm Blain Claypool, Chief Operating Officer of HNI Healthcare. Interestingly enough, I started as an HNI client about 7 years ago when I built a greenfield hospital down in Clay County, Florida, and HNI hospitalists were the first hospitalist group that we brought on board, opening a brand new hospital that was at full occupancy in a week. Very impressive, and that's when I realized HNI was a different organization. They were fully engaged with us in an onslaught of patients, but fully engaged with us and partnered with us on keeping the patients moving through the organization. And most significantly, in that first month of opening a brand new hospital, HNI was fully engaged with me as the CEO, identifying processes and systems in the hospital that were broken, or we just hadn't gotten right the first time we put it together. And that's where the light went off. And I said, HNI is different. They're not a staffing company that's just providing hospitalists. They truly are aligned partners with the vision of bringing value to healthcare. Do what's right for our patient, do it right every time, and lower the overall cost of healthcare. And I found I had a partner that was engaged in bending that cost curve and helping me identify how to make my hospital run smoother, improve patient experience, and dramatically improve patient quality and outcomes.